Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to showcase something super simple to make, very easy to whip up, takes hardly any time but has a big flavor. This is my Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is make the marinade. For this recipe I'm using chicken thighs, but you could use chicken breast or even pork if you want. This is a pretty simple marinade. Start off with some chopped garlic, some lemongrass, some chopped ginger, some white pepper, some shallots, some brown sugar, some light soy sauce and some turmeric powder. Mix it all together well and then cover with the plastic foil and set aside for 30 minutes to overnight. Into a hot pan, drop in your chicken or any protein that you're using. Cook it well. Make sure your pan is hot so you have that nice charred outside. If you have a grill, it would be even better. After about 2 minutes, flip it over. As you see, the turmeric will give it a nice yellow color. Turmeric is optional. You could also leave it out. If your chicken thighs are really large, you could also use the oven to finish off your chicken. Once done, chop it into bite-sized pieces or just into slices like I have, and then you can just pop it on to a bowl of rice with some salad or some vegetables or some noodles, any way you like it. This is a super simple recipe, very easy to make and super delicious to eat. To finish off, I'm going to top it off with some nice dipping sauce. If you want the recipe for this dipping sauce, it is on my other video with my Thai barbecue chicken, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'm going to link it in the description as well. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal. Till next time, bon appetit.